Ever wondered how to transform your home into a stylish and comfortable haven without breaking the bank? What if we told you there are 10 budget-friendly design hacks that can make it happen? Ready to discover the secrets to a more inviting and functional living space? Let's get started. If you're short on space, consider investing in multifunctional furniture. For example, a sofa bed can serve as both a seating area and a guest bed, making it perfect for small apartments or guest rooms. Look for pieces that offer storage solutions, such as ottomans with hidden compartments or coffee tables with built-in shelves. By investing in multifunctional furniture, you can make the most of your small space without sacrificing style or comfort. These pieces are not only practical but also stylish, and can add a touch of sophistication to your home. Clutter can make a space feel chaotic and overwhelming. To keep your home organized, designate a specific spot for everything. Use baskets, bins, and trays to corral items like keys, mail, and remote controls. This will not only make your home look neater, but also make it easier to find what you need when you need it. Blank walls are a missed opportunity for adding personality to your home. Get creative with your wall decor by using removable wallpaper, decals, or even washi tape. You can also create a gallery wall with a mix of framed photos, artwork, and mirrors. This will add visual interest and make your home feel more personalized. By getting creative with your wall decor, you can add personality and style to your home and make it feel more personalized and inviting. Closets are often overlooked when it comes to design, but they can be a great place to add style and functionality. Invest in matching hangers and storage bins to create a cohesive look. Use labels to keep everything organized and easy to find. You can also add a pop of color with wallpaper or paint to make your closet feel more inviting. By following these tips, you can create a stylish and functional closet that enhances your home's overall design. Lighting can make a big difference in how a room feels. If your home lacks natural light, consider adding lamps or overhead lighting to brighten things up. You can also use mirrors to reflect light and make a space feel larger. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of lighting to create the perfect ambience for your home. By following these tips, you can brighten up dark and dreary rooms and create a more inviting and comfortable space in your home. Bathrooms can easily become cluttered with toiletries and beauty products. To keep things tidy, invest in storage solutions like drawer organizers and shower caddies. Use baskets or trays to corral smaller items like makeup and hair accessories. This will not only make your bathroom look neater, but also make it easier to keep clean. If your living room feels bland, consider adding pops of color with throw pillows, rugs, and curtains. You can also mix and match patterns and textures to add visual interest. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors or patterns. They can add personality and warmth to your space. The entryway is the first thing guests see when they enter your home, so it's important to make a good impression. Keep clutter at bay by using hooks and shelves to store coats, bags, and shoes. You can also add a small table or bench for a decorative touch. Consider adding a mirror to make the space feel larger and more inviting. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary where you can relax and unwind. To create a cozy atmosphere, invest in soft bedding and pillows. You can also add a rug or curtains to add warmth and texture. Don't forget to add personal touches like photos or artwork to make the space feel more like you. If you work from home, having a functional and organized workspace is essential. Invest in a desk with plenty of storage and use organizers to keep your supplies in order. Consider adding a bulletin board or whiteboard to keep track of important tasks and deadlines. With a well-designed home office, you'll be more productive and comfortable. We hope you found these 10 budget-friendly design hacks for a stylish and comfortable home inspiring and informative. Remember, transforming your space doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a little creativity and ingenuity, you can create a home that reflects your personal style and maximizes comfort. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and inspiration on creating a stylish and comfortable home on a budget. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, Please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.